We've done it. We've officially launched our massive virtual production course for beginners.
Micro Four Thirds is a perfect camera for
Don't just grab whatever green paint they have at B&Q. You wind up suffering more. The green hides in the shadows. You're looking at more than 10 hours of video content, a massive workbook of 100 pages, and chapters covering everything from building a green screen stage, paint, lighting for virtual production, all the way to Unreal Engine.
Video is treated as a texture inside Unreal. Your virtual camera is perfect out of the box.
Building environments for your clients, motion tracking your cameras, green screen keying, real-time and compositing, recording your footage to deliver to your clients. More than that, we have tips, tricks, and best practices that we learned the hard way, spending 1 year building this entire beauty of a studio. And at the end, we'll also give you practical knowledge on how to build a business with your newfound skills. So I'm super excited. Check out the course and let's get you into virtual production.